I've been testing the Justdone AI plagiarism checker for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth using in 2025. Justdone AI positions itself as more than just a plagiarism checker. It's a full suite for content validation, with features like AI content detection, rewriting tools, and humanization filters. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, and it supports different file formats like PDFs and Word docs, which is convenient. For students, writers, or anyone producing digital content, the tool feels like a helpful all-in-one platform to verify originality and tweak content when needed. That said, there are a few things to be cautious about. One of the biggest issues is accuracy. In my testing, there were moments when obviously human-written text was flagged as AI-generated, and some copied material wasn't picked up at all. That kind of inconsistency makes it unreliable if you're depending on it for academic or professional integrity. Also, the platform is based on a subscription model, which may not suit users who just need a quick check once in a while. And when I tested the customer support, responses were slow and not very helpful, especially when it came to billing questions. So, overall, Justdone AI is a decent option if you're looking for a simple and fast way to run plagiarism or AI checks on your content, but I wouldn't rely on it as the final authority, especially for high-stakes work. It's useful, but you want to cross-check with other tools if accuracy really matters. I hope this review helped you make a better decision. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.